Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use remix feature in shorts in YouTube. Let's open YouTube application and find shorts that you want to use the sound from. I will open this one, for example, and now in the bottom right corner of your screen you have to tap the audio icon. And here you will see a red button that says use this sound. Let's press this button. And now the shorts editor will open with the used sound on it. So you can record video. You're going to use this red button, or you can go to your gallery and select your already existing video from your device. Tap next. Additionally, here you can crop your video. Okay, and now you can adjust, you can continue adjusting your shorts. You can add some text, filters, stickers, as well as captions and voiceover. When you're done, tap next button and complete. Enter in your details so you can add your title. You need to set as well visibility and location if you want, and of course select audience. And when you're done, you can upload your shorts. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.